Let's talk about sound. How to mute and unmute yourself. On the bottom left of your Zoom screen, there will be a small microphone icon. If you click this icon, you will be able to mute and unmute yourself. When the icon shows a red line through it, you are on mute. When the icon does not have a line, your microphone is on. If you're not speaking for a while during a show, it is courteous to mute your mic to ensure that there's no extra sound in the call. Make sure you're in a space with limited background noise. This means far away from any construction, kids, background music, or chatter. If you're not speaking for a while during a show, it is courteous to mute your microphone so we don't have any extra sound. Make sure you're in a space where there is limited background noise. This means far away from any construction, kids, or areas with music or chatter. As soon as you're on your Zoom call for your show, ensure that everyone else on the call is able to hear you and you can hear them, although you should have already tested your speaker and microphone in the beginning of logging into Zoom.